Dividing your work between different jobs helps you stay organized and improve productivity. Within SumiLabel, set files contain jobs and individual markers. Every set has at least one job, and every job contains at least one individual marker. At the job level, you define the tubing type and size, and using multiple jobs within a set can bring your entire project together. To add a job to a set, open or create a set file to bring up the set editor screen. During the process for creating a set, you might have noticed that it brings up the new job wizard first. Using the wizard, you choose the tubing and design the base template for the first job in the set. To add another job, from the set editor window, simply click the new job button beside the jobs subsection. The new job wizard will appear again for you to work out the details. Once you're finished, take a look at the jobs subsection. Notice that each job has an ID representing its position within the set. Each job can also be given a unique name by double-clicking in the job name column. Scrolling sideways, you can see the type and size of tubing for the job, as well as the number of markers and more. Ensure that you've selected the correct job and then proceed with adding, editing, and printing your markers.